First, they all have feathers. Feathers are very light. They come in many colors and sizes. Each bird has a special feathers. The feathers keep them warm. Some of them help the bird.
The rest of you sit down.
Birds do not
One.
have babies that are born alive. They lay eggs. The eggs have hard shells. Birds lay eggs in their nest. They sit on them to keep them warm. For example, the father ostrich sits on the eggs and make sure they are warm. When they are ready, they hatch baby birds come out of the shells. Some birds have feathers, but they cannot fly. The ostrich cannot fly, but it can run fast. Birds are a different kind of animal. They are not like a mammal or a fish. They are like themselves.
Okay, very good na si Jacob mo read. So, karon answer the question.
Story question. How the ostrich is different from the other birds. It cannot fly. It is not a bird. It is small. It is like to eat bananas. A.
Ang ostrich, it
It
cannot.
cannot fly.
Okay, number 2.
The author wanted.
The author.
The author.
Okay, sa ng author. Ang author mo na ang writer sa story nga kani. Sige, balik.
The author wanted you to learn about animals that are mammals, B. Animals that are birds, C. Animals are animals that are insects, D. Animals that are fish, D.
Next.
What do all birds have? B. Feathers.
Very good. Ayaw isaba yung mga answers, ha?